sponsors, volunteers, and everyone present. What a fantastic week it has been, filled with talent, energy, passion, and sportsmanship. We started VPL with a dream to give the best players in our community a platform they deserve. Thank you to all the players and the sponsors for believing in this dream, participating with full heart, and making it such a memorable experience for everyone. Before we move ahead with the rest of the evening, it's very important we take a moment to express our gratitude to the amazing sponsors who stood by us and helped make Vista Premier League Season 1 a reality. Without their belief, support, and encouragement, none of this would have been possible. Starting with our title sponsor, Vista Packaging. Thank you for being the driving force behind BPL. May I call upon Mr. Fakhruddin Bhai Rangwala to come up on stage? Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for them, please. Come. Yeah, come. Just say then. Say. Please share some words.
I wish all the players here and those who have not been able to come or went back, best of luck now and all the future Premium Leagues we have. Thank you very much for making this successful to all of you and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you for your never-ending support, Mr. Rangwala. We appreciate it. Yeah. Our co-sponsors, Izzy Arts and Frames. Thank you for your incredible support and faith in our vision. Ali Bhai was not able to make it this evening, but I'm sure he's watching. Our media partners, CompuPoint USA. Your support has helped take VPL to viewers beyond the ground. Thank you very much. Our food partner as well, Dilawar, ensuring everyone stayed energized and satisfied throughout the tournament. Can I have Mr. Dilawar up on stage, please? A big round of applause, guys. Thank you. Would like to share some words, please?
I wish all the players, Vista and Highlanders, all the best. May the best team win. Play well. And Budi, I've come to see your bat.
A big thanks to all our associate sponsors as well. Abdul Motiwala Jewelers, Altius Services Private Limited, DDK Wealth Solutions, Parina Jewelers, Swiftin Industrial, Sapphire Tough, Apex Modular Solutions, Sun Moon Electricals, and Hakimi Nest. A heartfelt thank you for believing in the spirit of VPL. And our merchandise partners, Up Your Fit, Fole, Eugen, Finasta Travels, ICOS, Unix, Pressy Apparels, Paper Concepts, and Unique Medical. Thank you for making our players look and feel their best on and off the field. Once again, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you to each and every sponsor. You are a huge part of the VPL family, and we hope to continue this partnership for many years to come. I want to take a moment to thank the real heroes behind the scenes, the ones who made sure everything ran smoothly while the spotlight was on you guys, the players. First, our wonderful team coordinators, Abbas Umretwala, Yusuf Kothari, Firoz Haveli, Hussain Chhatri, Tahir Gandhi, and Ali Asgar Sabu. You are the backbone for each team, managing logistics, keeping players informed, and handling every small issue with patience and care. Thanks for all your endless efforts in keeping the tournament organized and professional. To our umpires, Mr. Nilesh Dhankaude, Kiran Bhosle, and Mr. Saptar Sanas. standing under the sun, taking tough calls, and handling the pressure with grace. You ensured fairness and discipline on the field. Thank you for upholding the spirit of the game throughout the tournament. Can you please come up on stage, sir? You can take one photo. Stand in there and take one photo. You come in the middle. Mr. Nilesh Dhankaude. Mr. Kiran Bhosle. And Saptar Sanas. Thank you, guys. A request to all the players, please go into Crick Heroes in the tournament details. Their names are there. I request everyone to leave a good rating for them on Crick Heroes. It will really help them. Thank you very much. To the ground staff, जीतू जी and his team, आप रोज मेहनत करके पिच तैयार करते हैं अपने लिए. बहुत बढ़िया पिच है और बहुत मजा आया हमें खेल के. आप प्लीज आपकी टीम के साथ ऊपर आइए. Imran bhai, can I call you up on stage please to give the mementos? Mr. Jitu, the head groundsman. मैं आपको दे देता हूँ. To the streaming team, Sandeep ji and his wonderful team, you took the magic happening here and delivered it to screens across the world. Your energy, enthusiasm and expertise made every moment feel even bigger and better. Sandeep ji, please आइए. Imran bhai, please. I hope you guys have enjoyed the live streaming. The matches have been beautifully telecast. Thanks to Sandeep ji and his team. Our ground coordinators, Mansoor Kachwala, Hussain Porbandar, and Ali Cement. You guys kept the numbers ticking, records accurate, and the scores live. Your sharp eyes and attention to detail made sure every ball counted. Can you guys please come up on stage, please? Imran bhai, please stay. Yeah, stay. Ali Cement wala, please come up. Guys, big round of applause. He's only 15 years of age and he's been volunteering here for you guys. Mansoor Kachwala. Yeah, you take a team later. He's the guy you have to thank for the DRS decisions. And Hussain Porbandar wala. Imran bhai, please stay up on stage. We've got some more gifts to give. Can I call upon the team coordinators, please? Abbas Umredwala. Yusuf Kothari. Feroz Haveli. Guys, big round of applause for all the coordinators. They've helped you keep your logistics together and make sure you guys have a seamless experience in this tournament. Hussain Chatri. Tahir Gandhi. And Ali Asgar Sabuwala. Come on, Vista Vikings, you can cheer louder than that. A special thank you to Khuzemabai Bhanpurawala, our food coordinator. Making sure players were well fed, energized, and taken care of is no small task. Thank you for ensuring the smooth flow of meals every day. Sorry. He told me, somebody told me Bantu. Sorry. Thank you, Imran Bhai. Can I ask Mohsin Patrawala to please come up on stage? Mohsin Patrawala, please. One more thanks left to give to our media team. Ahmad Badshah, Tahir Kalawadwala, Sushil Kamble, and Pradyuman Bisekar. The amazing photos and videos you've taken will be memories for a lifetime. And I'm sure all the players can't wait to see all the photos and videos. Guys, can you please come up? Ahmad Badshah. Sushil Kamble. Pradyuman Bisekar. And Tahir Kalawadwala. Thank you, guys. On behalf of the entire VPL family, a big round of applause and heartfelt thanks to all these guys. Your contributions might not always be seen on the scoreboard, but without you guys, there would not have been any tournament at all. So thank you very much. As we reach the end of this beautiful journey, it's only right we take a special moment to recognize the individuals without whom Vista Premier League 2025 would have remained just a dream. Starting with the amazing Mohsin Pocketwala, This is the man behind all the execution. If we demand something, Pocket will execute. His energy, attention to detail, and ability to handle any situation is what helped bring all these plans to life. Big round of applause for Mohsin, guys. And then a very special thanks to our own Takibai, part of the core organizing committee, handling 1,000 small details from the auction preparations to managing day-to-day tournament operations, making sure the engine of VPL kept running smoothly. We cannot forget Siraj Bhai Rangwala, the man who managed all the finances and accounts, ensuring that behind all the passion and excitement, everything was properly organized and sustainable. Thank you, Siraj Bhai. A huge thank you also to Huzefa Bhai Shakir, quiet but powerful in his support, always ensuring that every piece came together perfectly behind the scenes. Guys, a big round of applause for Huzefa Bhai Shakir. And finally, a heartfelt and special thanks to Kadir Bhai Rangwala for always being there, offering constant support, wise advice, and helping behind the scenes whenever needed. Your contribution may not be visible on the surface, but it's been deeply felt. Thank you, Kadir. Mustafa Presswala, what can I say about this guy? The wizard behind the fantastic social media coverage that captured every moment, and the man who made sure our jerseys looked world class. A massive thank you for amplifying the VPL spirit across every plan and making us look and feel like professionals. A big round of applause, guys, for Mustafa Presswala. And the heart of this entire tournament stands Mufaddal Bukwala, the man with a vision, the energy, and the drive to dream big and make it happen. Every detail, every plan, every sleepless night, it was all made possible because of Mufaddal Bhai's relentless dedication and leadership. Shukran and Mubarak from all of us. You have truly created something special.
Thank you everyone for this wonderful experience and for helping us, supporting us to make this tournament a very successful one. This wouldn't happen without your support. And let me announce one more thing. The next season, season 2 dates, the Vista Premier League season 2 will be from 6th of April to 11th of April 2026. Hope to see you all again with better planning and more tough fight. I need a super over also. Thank you guys, everyone. Thank you very much. And I thank all the sponsors for supporting this Vista Premier League. Thank you.
Guys, thank you for support. While we took an opportunity to thank everybody behind the scene, we must have a special shout out to somebody who has been involved in every stage of this tournament, from execution to the presentation to everything that you see on the ground today has his touch on it. The professional feel, the ideas behind this, the DRS, everything that you see has a touch of Ali Bhai Rangwala to it. Thank you, Ali. You have really, really elevated the level of this competition with your planning, with your execution, along with your team. You have made sure every detail is taken care of, and you have made sure that us amateur cricketers in our community get an opportunity to feel what it feels like to play an IPL. Thank you, Ali. Very well done. Thank you. Excellent. Big round of applause, guys.
Today, BPL isn't just ending a tournament. We are beginning a new tradition. Thank you all for trusting us, showing patience to all the players, discipline, and most importantly, showing heart. Our mission has always been to raise the level of cricket in our community, and you guys all have helped make that vision a reality. Inshallah, next year, we aim to make this even bigger, better, and more exciting. Until then, remember, BPL isn't just about winning trophies, it's about building friendships, memories, and brotherhood. Thank you.
So as announced by Mufaddal Bhai Bukwala, next season, VPL Season 2 will be at SPJ Lonavala from 6th April to 11th April 2026. Now we'll begin with the third place match between the Easy Strikers and the Unique Stars. First we'll start with the Up Your Fit, fittest fielder. जब body भी fit हो और fielding भी lit हो. Mohammad Nasikwala from the Unique Stars. Can I have Mr. Huzaifar Dilawar on stage, please? Can I have Mr. Imran Kagalwala on stage, please? To give the All TS Safest Hands Award. The All TS Clutch Catcher, हर मैच का catch master, gift hamper sponsored by Ecos. The winner is Mufaddal Retiwala. Thank you, Mr. Imran Bhai. Now with the sparkling spell of the match, the Parina Jewelers, a gem of a performance honored by Parina Jewelers, gift hamper by Cookie Monstry. With 4 overs, 16 runs for 3 wickets, Mr. Ali Asgar Wanak. Can I have Mr. Adil Fateh on stage, please? Thank you, Adil. Can I please have on stage Mr. Kadir Rangwala to give the DDK wealth power hitter. जब भी pitch पे आएगा, value बढ़ाएगा. Gift hamper sponsored by Unix to Huzaifa Ajmerwala with 6 fours and 2 sixes. Can I please call Hussain Narsinger to collect the award on his behalf? Mrs. Zarina Rangwala on stage, please. To give the Motiwala player of the match. The Motiwala game changer. जब ground पे आए तो game ही बदल जाए. Kid bag sponsored by 4 with 57 runs of 43 balls, 2 catches, 1 run out. We have Huzaifa Ajmerwala again. Can I invite Mr. Hussain Narsingarwala again on stage? Unique stars always charged. Now the third place match awards. Today morning we witnessed a very competitive third place match. Congratulations to both teams for showing such great fighting spirit. I would like to call upon Mr. Imran Bhai Kagalwala and Mr. Shaheen Kagalwala on stage, please. Shaheen Bhai, please come on stage. I would like to now call the Unique Stars players on stage, please, to collect their medals. We'll start with Mr. Hussain Raniwala. Mr. Ali Asgar Chittalwala. Mr. Hassan Ali Dholkawala. Mr. Hakeem Saria. Mr. Hussain Barwawala. The youngest Unique Star, Mohammad Nasik. Mr. Ali Asgar Wanak with the sparkling spell of the match today. And last but not the least, one of the best all-rounders from Mumbai Cricket, Mr. Hussain Narsingarwala. The Unique Stars with a cash prize of 53,000, winning the third place in the Vista Premier League Season 1. Loud applause, please. Thank you, Unique Stars. You guys were great throughout the tournament. Thank you, Mr. Imran Bhai. That's it from the presentation ceremony of the third place match. The toss time for the finals will be 6:45 p.m. and will begin the match at 7 p.m.